Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're going to be looking at a gorgeous song. I had quite a few requests for this one, but it's the wonderful What's Up, also known as What's Going On sometimes, because that's the main line in the chorus, but What's Up by the Four Non-Blondes, a bit of a 90s classic, this one. Really straightforward to play this one, so I shouldn't give you any problems even if you're just starting out. As I do in all my videos, you should see a running order come up on the screen, so if you already know the chords, there's only 3 chords, but if you already know them, you won't need to go through them, so you might want to skip the video forward and just start playing the actual song. But for those of you who don't know the chords, we're going to go through them right now. So all we need for this one is an A major, we need a B minor, and we need a D major as well. Okay, so first of all, if we start off with the A major, okay, for this one you just want your first finger on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. Next finger right underneath this one in the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. Next finger goes on the 2nd string in the 2nd fret. Okay, and with this one we're trying to avoid hitting the bass E string. This is just the 5 strings below that. Okay, next up the B minor, a little bit trickier maybe, but for this one you want your first finger going on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Next finger goes on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. Next finger goes on the 4th string in the 4th fret, and the little finger goes underneath that on the 3rd string in the 4th fret. And with this one we're trying to avoid the A string and the bass E as well, just the 4 strings below that. Okay, and there's your B minor. Okay, last of all for the D major, we want to put the first finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Next finger goes on the 1st string in the 2nd fret, and the next finger goes on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. And for D major, again we're trying to avoid hitting the bass E and the A string, and it's just the 4 strings below that, the lower 4 strings. There's your D major. Okay, this is such a simple song, this one, so all we want is 4 nice and easy strums on the A, 4 nice and easy strums on the B minor, and then 4 easy strums on the D, and then back to the A to finish off, and then it starts again on the A string. Okay, so what we're going to do before we have a look at some slightly better strumming patterns and some little things we can do for that, just want you to go through those chords a couple of times. We'll just get used to the kind of feel of the song, just with nice and easy 4 downstrokes on the strumming side, just on each chord, and I'll call out the chords as I'm changing. So let's start off with the A major again, and A, 2, 3, 4 to the B minor, 2, 3, 4 to the D, 2, and back to the A, 2. Start again on the A, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, 3, 4 to the D, 2, 3, back to the A, 2. Right, I'm going to hum the tune a little bit now, so go da 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 da, B minor, da 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 da, to the D, 2, 3, and back to A, 2, 3, start again, la 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 la, B minor, da 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 da, and D, 2, 3, and back to A. It's the whole song. So the next bit, and da 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 da, B minor, da 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 da. Excuse singing, D, la da da, back to the A, 2, 3, one more, and da 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 da, B minor, da 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 da, and D, 2, 3. What's going on? And then the chorus is still the same chords. I say, B minor, D. I said, hey, to A, what's going on? Last time, one more chorus. I say, hey, B minor, 2, 3 to D. I said, hey, and back to A. And that's the whole song, just like that. Okay, so like I said, if we just have a little look now, you might notice some sort of slightly different strumming patterns. What I want to do is just try, first of all, this basically, that kind of simple strumming pattern, and we're going to work towards also what you can do with the A chord. You can take off the lowest, the third finger, and then basically give it a kind of, so first of all, just take the A chord and just try and get used to that kind of strumming pattern there. I'll go through this slowly for you, but basically, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Yeah, that kind of feel there. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, and then down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, and yeah, just a few up and down strokes. What I'm going to do is slow that down even more and just try and get used to that. It's just a little bit more interesting just doing 4 straightforward down strums, but also a little bit tricky. But what I want you to practice is trying to take off the bottom finger of the A chord, yeah, the lowest one, the one that's on the second string. Okay? And you listen to the song, you can hear that going on there. So you're basically, we're aiming to get basically down, 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 up, down, down, up, and then just taking it off there. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Just on that upstroke at the end, okay? So let's try and run that a couple of times. And what you can do, just practice that, slow it down, just mess around with the strumming patterns, it will sound much nicer. And you can also try the same thing with the D. And with this one though, with the D major, you're going to be taking off the bottom string again, but the one that's on the first string, the lowest finger. So that one there. And you've got exactly the same strumming pattern. Spend a bit of time going between the A and the D. The B minor, you can just keep it exactly the same for this one. Okay, so let's try and practice now the slightly better strumming patterns, yeah? We'll just run through this song a couple of times using the new strumming patterns. And also try and chuck in, with the A and the D, try and chuck in a couple of the, taking off the lowest finger on the D and the A as well. Give that a try too. Okay, you'll have to excuse the singing, but I'll hum the tune again just so we can see how that fits in with the melody of the song. Okay, so starting off with the A chord. Okay, it really is that simple, this song, so give it a try, practice the different strumming patterns, it'll sound great. It's quite a common one. Some of the open mics I run, people often do a nice acoustic singer-songwriter version of this one. Practice it, it'll sound great, and I'll see you in future for more great guitar tuition sessions. Thanks, all the best, bye.